Every stock crashed today except MSTR. MicroStrategy stock did not crash. In fact, went up about 4%. And MSTY in ETF from YieldMax that tracks the MSTR stock did go up 3%. In today's video, I'm going to address a couple of things. One is on erosion and second is on the distribution and dividends. There are a few comments on this channel that address the issue that YieldMax MSTR option income strategy ETF MSTY has NAV erosion. I personally hasn't seen that, so I want to dispute that. I'm going to expand this chart. It shows here it has returned 1.23%, and this is return on just the stock price itself. It came out around $20.38, and it has been going up and down. I want to show you something here. These are all distributions that it has been paying since it was incepted. The first one was $4, and they did decrease from $4 to $2 or $3, $2, $1, $1, $4.20, $4. There was an increase between October to November 2024, and then it went down to $3. It went to $2. It went to $2, and the last distribution was $1.38. So yes, distribution has gone down if you compare between what they paid last time and what they paid in October and November 2024. On average, you're receiving $2.77. All in all, it has paid since inception $33.19. So if you take that $33.19, add to the price of today $20.68, that's $53.82. And that's over 200% return. On official YieldMax website, MSTY, YieldMax MSTR option income strategy, distribution rate is 89.54. That comes from the last distribution they just paid, which was $1.37. The fund was incepted on February 21, 2024, and you're paying 0.99. That's a management fee. Performance on YieldMax official website since inception has returned 216 cumulative NAV, and market price has also returned 206. Pretty impressive. So for people who are saying this ETF has NAV erosion, I don't know where they get the information, because as you can see here, the NAV is 20, and when he started, the NAV was 20. So he hasn't lost any NAV. Asset under management is 2.2 billion. That's a lot. This is a list of all YieldMax ETFs. On this list, it shows us all the ETFs that survived the market crash of today. And these were ETF that shorts other ETFs. For example, the ETF that short Tesla, Fiat, shorts coin ETF. MSTY doesn't short. It was up at 3%. Dips short Nvidia. YBTC was up. YQQ up. The rest of all other YieldMax ETFs were down bigly. Like Palantir just crashed 11%. Tesla, which is Tesla, at 9%, and Tesla it's on bad shape right now, 7.72. So this is an ETF that was or had NAV erosion, and it did have a stock split, and now is at $7. So I'm assuming they are going to have another split soon. Maybe we'll see. YieldMax funds weren't the only assets that crash. Everything went down. Look at this. All these major stocks: Nvidia, Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Intel, Meta Platforms, Nike, Microsoft, Palantir, Alphabet. The huge drop was from Palantir, Intel, and Tesla at 10% and 11% each. All the major indices were down. Like a Dow Jones crashed 5% or 2,231 points. S&P was down almost 6%. Nasdaq 582, almost 6%. Small cap went down 4%. Of course, VIXI, this is a volatility ETF, was up 50%. Canadian market were down 4.62%. Brazilian market was down. Mexico market was down. MSCI London market was down. Germany was down. Every single stock in the global market were crazy down. So to see all these major indices and all the major stocks collapsed, except MSTY, that was a surprise to me. But remember, MSTR has a lot of correlation with the crypto. And the main reason why MSTR and therefore MSTY did not go down is because crypto did well today. It didn't crash. Bitcoin is up 1% right now. Ethereum is up. Every major crypto up. Not huge up, but at least it's up. Bitcoin right now is at 83,000. Yesterday was at 81 because of this outstanding performance of a crypto for today. And that's why a stock like MSTR did not go down. So in today's video, I just wanted to kind of address the concern that MSTY ETF has NAV erosion, and we see that wasn't the case. And also distribution and dividend have been decreasing, and there was some truth to that. But remember, we look at overall average and how much they've been paying, right? That's all we have to look and rely on that calculus. And the last thing we looked is the main reason why MSTR stock did not go down today. In fact, it actually went up. So again, that's all I have for this quick update. If you like this type of content, as always, make sure you smash the like button. And if you don't want to miss this type of update for your income and passive income journey, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button, and do me a favor. If you know anyone who wants to know this type of information, please share with that person. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you on next video. Bye bye.